Welcome to a world of speedy germination. Today, we are exploring how to sprout vegetable seeds without soil in just 24 hours. All you need are paper towels, a water sprayer, and your preferred vegetable seeds. Begin by dampening the paper towels, ensuring they're moist but not drenched. These will substitute soil, supplying the necessary moisture for germination. Next, distribute your vegetable seeds on the damp paper towels with enough space to sprout unimpeded. This method encourages optimal seed-to-moisture contact, accelerating the germination process. Now, fold the paper towels over the seeds to fully cover them. This creates a snug environment for germination and helps maintain moisture. Lastly, place the paper towels with the seeds into a container and cover it to create a mini greenhouse effect. And there you have it. After just 24 hours, you will witness your vegetable seeds sprouting, ready for planting. The fastest germination of vegetable seeds without soil, made possible by this simple and efficient method.